Is it loud or closed or open?
It don't matter.
It don't matter? Okay. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Sean Black.
Sean Black, okay.
Same as last time, 418s. This time it's on 2.6Ks.
Okay. Wow. What is it wire tune you're tuning?
Right now it's each pair's at 0.7 on each amp.
Okay.
Tuning, it's all new. I haven't had any time to test it.
No meters, no meter or peak or anything yet? You don't know? Still learning?
Still learning.
Okay, all right.
It's no longer a 50-51.
Yeah, that's for sure.
I've pulled basically a 60 out of it so far.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
I've reconed it with different recones, so.
Yes, sir. Okay. All right.
Just tell me when you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
It's only about a 5-second burst because I don't want to get the subs too hot.
That's fine. Do what you want to do.
She was up to 240.
Really? Just like that?
But yeah, watch the temps. They'll drop quick.
How is it getting so hot so fast?
They're only 4-ohm coils. I don't think they're designed for that.
They're not designed for that much power now.
I'm pushing about, I was told about 9K out of each.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Team Base Outlaw. All right. Hey, I appreciate the quick demo.
ASD first.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Actually, see over there, Mike? The guy who was just right behind me? He's the president of our club.
Yes? Okay. Awesome. going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.